Camping is a great way to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connect with nature. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a first-timer, planning a camping trip can be a fun and exciting experience. However, it also requires careful preparation and organization to ensure everything goes smoothly. In this video, we'll provide you with essential tips for a successful camping trip. From choosing the right campsite to packing smart and staying safe, we've got you covered. The video is going to be very informative and interesting, so subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get started. Number 10. Plan ahead. Planning ahead is the key to a successful camping trip. Before you head out, it's important to research the location, weather, and facilities of the campsite you're planning to visit. This will help you prepare for the trip and ensure that you have everything you need to make your camping experience enjoyable. Start by researching the location of the campsite and the surrounding area. Look for information on the terrain, wildlife, and any potential hazards. Check the weather forecast for the days you'll be camping to ensure that you pack appropriate clothing and gear. Finally, research the facilities available at the campsite, such as restrooms, showers, and fire pits. Number 9. Pack smart. Packing for a camping trip can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. The key is to pack smart and make a checklist of essential items to avoid overburdening yourself. Start by making a list of all the items you'll need for your trip, including camping gear, clothing, food, and personal items. Once you have your list, go through it and eliminate any non-essential items. Remember, you don't need to pack your entire wardrobe or bring every gadget you own. Stick to the basics and pack light to avoid carrying too much weight. Consider investing in lightweight camping gear and clothing to make your load even lighter. By packing smart and keeping your load light, you'll be able to enjoy your camping trip. Number 8. Choose the right tent. Choosing the right tent is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience. When selecting a tent, consider the weather conditions and the number of people camping. Pick a tent that is appropriate for the weather conditions you'll be camping in. If you're camping in the summer, choose a tent that is well ventilated to keep you cool and comfortable. If you're camping in the winter, choose a tent that is designed to withstand cold temperatures and strong winds. Additionally, make sure the tent is large enough to accommodate the number of people camping. A tent that is too small can be cramped and uncomfortable, while a tent that is too large can be difficult to set up and take down. Number 7. Set up camp properly. Setting up camp properly is essential for a comfortable and enjoyable camping experience. Here are some tips to help you set up camp like a pro. First, choose a level ground to pitch your tent on. Avoid areas with rocks, tree roots, or other debris that could make your sleeping surface uncomfortable. Next, pitch your tent correctly by following the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure the tent is taut and secure, and use stakes and guy lines to keep it in place. This will help prevent your tent from collapsing or blowing away in the wind. Finally, make sure you have all the necessary equipment to set up camp, including a mallet or rock to drive in stakes, and a headlamp or flashlight to help you see in the dark. Number 6. Stay warm and dry. Staying warm and dry is essential for a comfortable camping experience. First, bring appropriate clothing and gear to stay warm and dry. Choose base layers made of wool or wicking synthetic materials, as they will wick away moisture and dry quickly. Avoid cotton at all costs, as it will hold on to moisture for long periods of time, leaving you vulnerable to hypothermia. Depending on the expected weather and temperatures during your trip, pack one or more mid-layers that will fit over your base layers and under your outer shell or rain jacket. Finally, choose a technical shell or raincoat that is versatile and offers direct protection from the elements. Number 5. Stay safe. Staying safe is crucial for a successful camping trip. Some tips to help you stay safe and avoid any unpleasant surprises are: first, follow safety guidelines and regulations for the campsite you're visiting. This includes rules for campfires, food storage, and wildlife encounters. Second, carry a first aid kit with you at all times and know how to use it. The kit should include basic supplies such as bandages, antiseptic, and pain relievers. Third, be aware of the wildlife in the area and take appropriate precautions. This includes storing food properly, keeping a safe distance from wild animals, and avoiding areas with high bear activity. Number 4. Leave no trace. Leaving no trace is an essential principle of camping that every camper should follow. It means respecting the environment and leaving the campsite cleaner than you found it. First, pack out all your trash and leftover food. Do not leave any trash lying around and pick up anyone else's trash you find. Second, use established campsites and trails to minimize your impact on the environment. Third, avoid damaging plants and trees by staying on designated trails and campsites. Fourth, use a camping stove instead of making a campfire, as it's safer and easier to control. Finally, respect wildlife and keep a safe distance from wild animals. Number 3. Bring enough food and water. When it comes to camping, bringing enough food and water is essential for a successful trip. Plan your meals ahead of time and make sure you bring enough food and water to last the entire trip. Consider the length of your trip, the number of people in your group, and the type of food you'll need to stay energized and healthy. Pack non-perishable foods that are easy to prepare and don't require refrigeration. Don't forget to bring plenty of water, as staying hydrated is crucial when camping. Consider bringing a water filter or purification tablets if you're camping in an area without access to clean water. Number 2. Be prepared for emergencies. Being prepared for emergencies is crucial when camping. Here are some tips to help you stay safe and be prepared in case of an emergency. First, carry a map, compass, and a whistle with you at all times. These items can help you navigate your way back to camp or signal for help in case of an emergency. Second, make sure you have a well-stocked first aid kit with you at all times. The kit should include basic supplies such as bandages, antiseptic, and paint relievers. Third, familiarize yourself with the area and the potential hazards. Know the location of the nearest hospital, ranger station, and emergency services. Finally, let someone know where you're going and when you plan to return. Number 1. Have fun. Camping is all about having fun and making unforgettable memories. So don't forget to enjoy the outdoors, relax, and have a good time. Take the time to explore the area around your campsite. Go for a hike, or simply sit back and enjoy the scenery. Bring along some games or activities to keep you entertained, such as a deck of cards, a frisbee, or a board game. And don't forget to make some s'mores around the campfire. Camping is a great way to disconnect from the stresses of everyday life and reconnect with nature. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.